This 2021 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 379 FBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Store. This new Highland Ridge is 43 feet 1 inch in length and features 4 slideouts, a titanium interior, sleeps 4, oven, refrigerator, skylight, spare tire kit, LP detector, air conditioning, TV antenna, slideout, external shower, smoke detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 379 FBS is 12,978 pounds. This 2021 Highland Ridge Mesa Ridge 379 FBS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Store, visit RVUSA.com.